Hey guys, I'm going to show you some fragrances today you can buy online under $30, most of them, a couple of them under $40. And I'm going to be brutally honest. Number one, Hugo Boss in Motion was found for like $25. It's a 3-ounce bottle, came out in 2002. You have sweet oranges alongside some basil notes, some cinnamon and vanilla, and it does smell sexy and good. Problem is, most Hugo Boss fragrances suck, and this one is one of them in performance, but the smell is awesome. Great for 19-year-olds and up. I used to love this fragrance, but 90 milliliters, what are you supposed to do? On my skin, it lasted 60 minutes. Am I going to carry this ball around everywhere I go and spray it 60 times every 60 minutes? No. Next fragrance, Penguin Rocks. I like to call it Penguin Sucks, but a lot of people like this, but I don't. It's just my opinion. You have your right to your opinion. I have the right to my opinion. Other than that, it's a great fragrance for $20. Back in the day, I used to respect it. Back 10 years ago, you have neroli and golden apple alongside some vanilla and lavender. It's very clean, refreshing, easy to wear fragrance. It's cool and you can wear it easily. Here's another fragrance that I do respect for some reason. Paris Hilton for men. Why would I respect that? I don't know, but it's got like this watermelon vibe. It's clean and it's $10 to $15 for this bottle like this. I love that. It lasts 3 hours, but it has a great central, and a lot of people are hardcore Paris Hilton wearers. They buy this like something that's called crack, and you can buy, they just want to buy a lot of them all at once. They can't stand it. Next fragrance is cool. It's called Cambridge Night by English Laundry. This is the metallic one. Back in the day, does anyone have any information about English Laundry? I think they were re-bought out and they had to tighten up their accounting, changing the bottles and the performance and the sprayers and all that, but it still comes out pretty good. Basically, this is a decently long-lasting fragrance that smells like Invictus with a little bit more punch to it. And a lot of these fragrances I'm showing you today are brand protected, like on Amazon, where you can't find them cheaper, so you kind of have to dig, but I found them on eBay and things like that. For instance, Calvin Klein, Tommy Bahama, Jimmy Choo, John Barbados, all those on Amazon pretty much solidly tighten up their suggested retail price, where they don't want you to sell it, a seller to sell it below. But then other sellers and big discount houses that have bankroll can buy it and sell it for whatever they want because it's their stuff, right? Maybe. I don't know how that rule goes, but next fragrance is called Tommy Bahama Maritime Deep Blue. Are you from Texas? Are you from New York? Are you from Illinois? Don't let me forget Chicago or Florida or Georgia. Any of you guys there? This is perfect for your weather because it's good for all year round. Like in Texas, when it gets cool and you have to wear a hoodie, 45, 50 degrees, you can wear this. In Florida, when it's super hot, you're out on that intercoastal waterway, you can wear this on your yacht. It's easy. What's not to like about it? $82. They have a 6.7 too, but I found it dirt cheap. Anyway, look at the link. This is this rope here along this metal thing. It's a cool bottle. It just smells like the deep blue ocean. It's easy, and that's all you need to know about that. Its performance is average. As everything on this list, the performance is average, like 4 to 6 hours, just so we have that down. Next fragrance is really cool. John Barbados collaboration with Nick Jonas, the pop star, and I have a feeling they try to make it seem kind of like Polo Reddish. It does have this coffee note alongside some berries and fruit notes, and I like that, and I like the oxygen note that they put in it. So it's very refreshing and unique because it has that coffee. Anything that they put coffee with berries that makes it, and it turns out well, is cool. John Barbados, Nick Jonas collaboration. It's about $30, $35 for 4.2 ounces, and I heard it was discontinued. John Barbados Dark Rebel. And if you look at this, you got black leather ripped around it. Why? Because the thing has leather in it. It's got booze, rum, suede, everything in there. Tobacco. It's dark and mean. I have a guy that emailed me. He wore this to a funeral and got compliments. He wears it to church and gets compliments. And he wears dark clothing all the time. Such odd places to wear a fragrance. This fragrance, if you're 25 and like mass appealing fragrances like the ones I just showed you on this list, or stuff like this that's in my pocket, you probably won't like this, and you'll call this old manish, and you'll probably say, God, this stuff's terrible. It's actually pretty strong and very masculine and leathery, boozy rum like that, you know. And I've heard dudes say I bought it because I heard it was hyped all over YouTube, and then they gave it away to their dad. And what's the deal? Why does grandpa and dad seem like you have to have this leathery, boozy, strong fragrance? Why is that association? I mean, why don't they wear fruity, light, fresh fragrances? I never understood why do they call this old man? Because it's masculine? Is it old man fragrance? Comment down below on that one too. So anyway, do you have any experience with this? This isn't bad. It's actually, people respect it because of the formula. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace and love. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support.